Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is about how to trim TikTok videos. So I think it's so easy, and if you see this video then you can easily doing this. So if you want to do this, then don't skip our video or any single of second. First you need to go on TikTok apps.
तुम सब छोटे मोटे केस में अंदर हो जाओ.
Firstly, I want to tell you that if you want to trim, then you need to record a video. First, record a video 15 seconds or 16 seconds. Then press on right icon. After that, you can see trim option. Then when you click on trim option, then it will be like sometimes the trim option will not be shown because of your video is so short. Then you need to record a long time video as like 16 second or like 16 up. So what you do, first record your video and click on plus icon. After that, click on upload option. Then choose any video what you have on your gallery. As like I chose more than 16 seconds. I chose this one. And then this is a bigger than 16 second. Then press on select. Select, then click on next. Then you will see the trim option. From where to whom you want to trim or cut, then select it as like this. Then it's right now trimmed. Then you can press on next. After that, your video is trimmed. Then press on next. Then you can post right now. I think you guys understand our video. So if you are enjoying our video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.